Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Euro over the US dollar. We have a very nice setup here in the Euro US dollar, and we've had some key developments move here in the Euro US dollar during yesterday and today's trading session. Now, first of all, yesterday we had a shooting star, which we ended the session with, which is typically a bearish sign. Now, what tends to happen in forex markets is that when we break above a previous resistant area or a previous floor, we typically go and retest it as the new floor in the market. And now this is something that happened previously. We broke below 1.20 and we was trading in a significant amount of profit, and then we saw this snap back. Now, where many traders here would have worried and they would have closed their trade out in a loss or at break even, I was advising my customers and my YouTube clients. You could even go back and watch the video when I filmed it. I actually advised my customers to add to their sell positions here, because this is a typical move you see in forex. This was the previous floor in the market. We broke below it, and then what you tend to go and do is go and test it as the new roof in the market. And as you can see, we got rejected, and then we followed through with our move towards the downside. Now, it's the exact same movement here. We've seen a break above 1.20. We've snapped back to test we've seen a break back above 1.20. We went as high as 1.2084, and now over the past couple of days, we've seen that test of 2.0 as a new floor in the market. So our lows during today's the trading session was 1.20, and now the big question is whether we will see a bounce here and go and trade up towards 1.21. The other thing that could be interesting is that we are forming a inverted head and shoulders pattern. So this could be a typically medium to long term bullish pattern, but the question is how low do we go before we snap back towards the upside? If I just get the head and shoulders pattern here, this is your left shoulder. As you can see, we've now just formed the head, we've snapped back, and now the big question is how big will the right shoulder be? As it stands, that we've gone down to 1.20. If we can break towards the 1.2052 area, that could be the catalyst, what sends us back up towards 1.21. But we are currently trading in this inverted head and shoulders pattern, so it'll be interesting to see how low we go, whether we take out the 1.20, we perhaps go and test a 50-day EMA, bounce off there, and then see some buyers return to this market. But I am a buyer. I have my stop loss down at 1.1851. I have no interest in selling this market whatsoever. For me, the Fed, the US government have killed the US dollar with all these fiscal deals, all this financial support towards the financial markets, which of course results in printing US dollars, which devalues their currency, hence the euro rallies against it. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling.